Hi guys, Tova here. I wanted to talk to you today about knot magic, but not extreme knot magic. I wanted it to be something simple for you because you can get stuck into how to do each knot, which way to knot it, what to say. A lot of it comes from within you. Knot magic is one of the oldest forms, and in Nordic belief systems we would call it the weaving of the web, the weaving of the cord, the weaving of blankets and clothing. Magic was put into that and instilled, because when you get a knot, you're putting your focus on it, but you're also putting your intent, and as you tighten that knot, it is done. And so you don't have to go by what's written in books, guys. You go by what's in your heart. You start with the right type of cord. Now, it can be a piece of string from your cupboard. It doesn't have to be. But if you want to do it in the colours for the thing that you're trying to get, or the situation you're trying to clarify, then go with the colour scheme. Now, you could get different balls of string in different colours so that you've always got it to hand, or ribbons. Ribbons are just as good. When you start and you get your cord or your ribbon and you put the first knot in, because that's your intent. So first of all, you protect yourself, and there are many videos on my channel that teach you how to do this. Once protected and your family protected and your home, then you hold your cord or your ribbon and you do the first knot, and do it how you feel you want to do it. Doesn't mean you have to do it a set way. Doing the first knot, you then say, by this knot I bind my will, because basically you are taking what's in your mind, in your heart, and you're putting it into that knot and you're binding it together. The will is going in with the knot, and so it's two-layered. Normally, if it was a spell for protection or a spell for help with a health issue, because of the Norse being linked, I would do the 3 knots, and then you've got your past, your present and your future. A bit like when you're doing card readings and things like that, or you're talking to the Norse. So you have your past, present, future. So in your intent, you think about what's happened to make you want to do the spell. So when you're doing that knot, you just think about that. The intent will go in, and as you tighten it, you're referring to what you're thinking. Then you think about what the present is at the moment, what you are dealing with at the moment, and why you want help. Again, put that thought into your knot, and as you tighten it, you go to the next one, which is the outcome, the future, what you want to gain. And this one, you can say a word or two like, it is done. I want this, but it is done. I already have it. So with this knot, I have my spell. I claim it now. I'll never let go. And then you tighten that knot. Now, what do? You say afterwards. Well, A, you forget about it, you don't think about it, keep it on your altar, or put it in your drawer, or carry it with you. Some people like to bury it so that it's out of your mind, but it is still being done. I like to put mine on my altar because I tend to forget when things is going on that I've done that spell. So put it on your altar where you can see it, but it's still out of mind, because if you do a lot of knot spells, you can have a lot of them hanging around, so you won't know which one's which. Only the spell will know. As a Seder practitioner, I will use my staff. I will actually tie the knot around the staff prong until it is at the point where you can still move it, and then you pull it to the top. You say what's in your mind and you pull it off to the edge, and then you snap it shut. So as you take it off the prong, you tighten it, and by doing that, you're putting that energy, that extra energy from your staff into the knot itself, and that can give it more strength, more power. Through the staff comes the earth energy, and that energy will go into your spell. And when you undo your knots. Try to do it the last one first and then follow backwards that way, so that you go back to the beginning one last. And once undone, you can clean that ribbon or that piece of string in some salt water, cleanse it, even put it under the moon to just cleanse away any energies, and it can be reused for another day. So just another little tip, that things that I've done and I still do. And knot magic is very ancient and very positive, and it's a go-to quick spell. Keep your knots close and your walls strong. So wherever you are, whatever time of day, night or evening it may be, I wish you the best ever. House of Elaine.